Madam and Sir. I am Lilaw Hope Salvador Silao. I am 46 years old. I live in Lunukan, Manolo, Fortich, Bukidnon. I am a single mother. I have one child. She is already 19 years old. My father is passed away. My mother is a housekeeping. We are 3 siblings. I have 2 brothers and I. I am a high school graduate. I have an experience as a domestic helper in Singapore in 9 years and 9 months. I serve 2 adults and 2 children, aging from 7 months old, the older child, and the second child is from newborn baby. I serve with this family since February 2012 until December 2021. My main duties and responsibilities is to take care of the whole family by attending their needs and especially the children. I make sure that the whole house is clean and neat. I wash their clothes and ironing. I wash dishes and also cook and prepare food for the family. To my employer who chose me, I am very serious this application and reliable and trustworthy. I am courteous, polite, and good manners and ready to learn more things and adapt new environment to improve my works so that I can provide the service to my future employer. I can run errands without supervision, could be advantage to the other applicants. My message to my future employer, I hope you are doing well today. Please do hire me to be your domestic helper. I will show this position. I can do all kinds of domestics such as cooking, cleaning, laundry, ironing, according to your requirements. I will promise to finish my 2 years contract and obey your house rules and regulations. Thank you very much and I hope to meet and join you soon. God bless to the whole family and thank you so much.